In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Shattered Gold here on the XM325. This is the second LMG here on Black Ops 7, and this is actually super easy to go and knock out. But before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. We can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and get this weapon in your class, and then go ahead and navigate into your gunsmith up to this customize tab and into this camo section. From here, go ahead and select multiplayer down at the bottom, and you're going to see all of the challenges that you need to go ahead and complete in order to get Shattered Gold. Now, these first 9 camos right here are going to be your military camos, and in total, you do have to get 80 headshots with the XM325. I'm not going to lie, this is probably what's going to take you the longest out of all of these challenges. What I would recommend doing is obviously putting a scope on this weapon and anything to stabilize this weapon as much as possible, and sitting outside of an objective on something like hardpoint or domination. I honestly think domination is the best thing to do these LMG challenges on. Hardpoint is obviously a close second, but essentially sit outside of, either one of those objective-based game mode sections and just line up headshots. Be consistent with it. This will probably take you around like 10 games max. For the special challenges, though, the first one is killing 30 enemies with tactical equipment. I'm not going to lie, this one is a little bit difficult. I think hardpoint is actually the best one to go ahead and knock this one out with. Essentially, go to the zone or right outside of it, throw something like a stun in, and then go ahead and spray them. Obviously, aim for the head still, just because it does increase the TTK just a little bit. And I have heard of some bug that's making it so like this doesn't actually show up right now. They should fix that probably pretty soon, and it'll count all of your stuff. I remember in Black Ops 6, it was the exact same thing when the game first launched. These tactical equipment kills just didn't show up, but they actually do still count. The Raptor camo overall is pretty easy to go and knock out. It's just 2 kills without releasing the trigger 5 times, so 10 kills total without releasing the trigger. This one is super easy. The mag is pretty high on this. You'll be able to knock this out ASAP. This should only take half a game max. Mainframe is also super easy. You can actually go ahead and put 8 attachments on with the gunfighter wildcard. Just get 50 elims. There's not really necessarily a strat to knock this out. You could do the exact same thing that you did for these headshots right here. Just make sure you have 8 attachments on. For Shattered Gold, you have to get 3 kills without dying 10 times. This is also super easy to do. Sit outside of any of the objective-based game modes. I like hardpoint for this, but domination is pretty good. Essentially, just kind of camp a little bit and play safe so that you don't take any unnecessary damage and then get 3 kills. It's pretty self-explanatory. You should be able to knock this one out in like 5 games with an LMG max. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.